In this video, we're going to talk about why Cash App keeps dropping their interest rates for their savings account. Now, when the savings feature first came out a couple years ago, it had a 4.5% interest rate. And you can see now the current interest rate is going to be 3.25% if you meet all of the requirements. This is unfortunate because it continues to drop, it seems like every quarter. There is a reason for this continuing to drop though. Cash App makes it extremely easy to earn interest on your money. You can put it in, take it out anytime, and it's just gonna pay you on the first of every month. For doing this service, they take a fee. So basically, they're taking everybody's money that they're putting in the savings and they're putting it in a different interest account that earns a higher interest. So I found this chart right here that kind of shows the interest on money markets over the past few years. And you can see the interest rate was 5.33%. And this is when Cash App was giving 4.5%. And then you can see it's continued to drop since then. This is when Cash App was giving about 3.75. And now you can see interest rates are about 3.89. And now Cash App is giving 3.25. So they're taking about 0.64% as a convenience fee for using Cash App. Another thing that I've noticed is that you can put a little bit in Cash App, like you can put $1 if you want, and you don't have to wait for orders to go through. You don't have to wait for a weekday during business hours. It just does it for you. So that is very convenient if you want to participate in some of these money markets and get like the highest percentage here. There's only certain times you can do these trades, and sometimes there's minimums, like you have to do $3,000 minimum, or you have to do $1,000 minimum. So those are kind of the pluses and minuses of each system. But I have started to get some higher yields here through some of my other apps. So I'll probably do some tutorials for that. But yeah, that kind of explains why the Cash App interest rate changes on the savings account. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.